Hi everyone, welcome back. Steven here. Today we are looking at the crisscross ergonomic office chair. That's this big box right here, and we're going to get that assembled. But this is a nice ergonomic office chair that offers a footrest. Let's get into the box and get it assembled so you can see what you get. The chair highlights flip-down armrests that free up some space for cross-leg sitting. It reclines up to 155 degrees for breaks between focused work sessions. The footrest elevates your legs to reduce pressure during long hours. Backrest height is 25.2 inches with an adjustable seat height ranging from 19.8 up to 22 inches. The seat dimensions are 20.8 inches wide by 19 inches deep, providing ample space for comfortable sitting. It comes with all the tools and detailed instructions, and they say setup should take just 10 to 20 minutes. We're going to test that out today. It's built with durable powder-coated steel frame components and has a 5-star shaped base that supports up to 300 pounds or 136 kilograms of weight. The chair also includes a recline function adjustable between 90 degrees up to 155 degrees, along with a smooth 360-degree swivel with rolling casters. The chair is designed to deliver exceptional comfort and ergonomic support for long hours of work or play. Whether you're engaged in demanding work, a focused study regime, or thrilling gaming, the desk chair provides unparalleled comfort and support, redefining your seating experience. The chair also features innovative 5-level adjustable flip-up armrests that adapt to one's lifestyle. You can lock them at 90 degrees to support your arms during work, or you can fold them flat to the side to free up space for that crisscrossed leg sitting. The upholstery is reportedly scratch-resistant and easy to clean, making it ideal for homes with pets. And there you have it. Hopefully this review helps you to make a good decision about what type of office chair is right for you. I just went through the tutorial with my wife for her new office chair for her office, and she's excited to get started using it, especially with the seat opening functionality to be able to sit cross-legged. So it has all the features, the adjustable height, and then some of the really nice niceties with the footrest and the recline. As always, I appreciate you for tuning into my videos. Please don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks so much. Bye.